One of my friends had a question about astrology today and asked me to share this in a TikTok video, so I'm doing it. Their question was, how can astrology be important if it's all just very generalized? And that is a good question, but the reason why it's so important and the reason why it's so useful is because it's not generalized. It is generalized by people who are just getting into astrology, which, to be fair, I'm still an astrology student. I definitely don't call myself an expert or someone who's very talented in astrology. But when you get into the specifics of things, that's where the gold lies. That's where the good stuff is. For example, two different people can have Pisces sun, and you would think, oh, well, both of you have a Pisces sun, so you're going to act the same. But no, because one of the Pisces suns might be in their 8th house at the 2nd degree, which means that they're a Pisces in the 8th house at a Taurus degree. And then you can have the other Pisces in the 1st house under the 1st degree, which would be an Aries degree. All of these things contribute to that planetary placement expressing itself in different ways. So yes, there is going to be the general theme of how they express their sun sign, but then the degrees and the houses and the placements that they're aspecting to are all going to change that. Because you can also have two people with Pisces sun at an Aries degree in the 1st house, but one is going to have a square to their Mars and another is going to have a trine to their Mars. And both of those are going to show up differently. Similarly, but different. This is also another reason why rising signs are so useful for horoscopes over the sun sign, because the sun sign is everybody's sun sign for 30 days, whereas the rising sign is only someone's rising sign for, on average, about 2 hours. So the day that you're born, someone born 2 hours later than you would have a different rising sign and therefore a completely different chart than you, in the sense of how the houses are placed and such. Once you get past the basic surface level stuff with astrology, it becomes fascinating. And remember, millionaires don't use astrology, billionaires do.